Hi everyone, welcome back. I am officially 1 year older than the last time I filmed a video. Yes, I celebrated my 44th birthday recently, and the biggest gift was really quality time with my family. I had asked my husband, I said, for this year, I don't want anything material. I really just want extra time with my family. That includes my parents, who are retired and they live about 2 hours away from us, and my sister and her husband and her 2 boys. They live about an hour away, which is close by, but we just have such busy lives, we hardly ever get together. So all of us stayed in a big, beautiful Airbnb upstate in the Hudson Valley for an extended weekend, and that was really my biggest gift. That was so special, and we took a lot of photos, and the kids got to swim in the swimming pool, and the adults got to just catch up and eat good food and laugh, and quality time. I think the older that I get, the more I cherish quality time with the loved ones in my life, and the material things are fun, but they're not at all necessary. So I just wanted to share that. And then my kids, I'm going to start with my kids first. So the gift from my husband was that weekend getaway. We invited my family and I said, I don't want anything else. So that was from my husband. Then my daughter got me a bunch of face masks because I mentioned that I was running out of face masks. These are all Korean, and I wear at least 1 or 2 face masks each week in the evening just to kind of nourish my skin. So that's great. I said, don't buy me too many because we are going to Korea next month and I can buy so many there. They're going to have much more variety as well, a bigger selection. So she got me a bunch of these. I already started using some. And then my son, he's 11. He used his allowance to get me a gift card from one of my favorite cafes. This is where I go for my chai latte, my matcha lattes. I don't drink coffee, but he knows that I go here. So that was sweet. He snuck out and got this for me. And then my husband wanted to get me something just to open as a gift. I guess he just wanted me to unwrap something, which was nice, even though I wasn't expecting anything. And he got me these 2, which I wasn't expecting at all. I've never mentioned anything like this, but it will come in handy. So this is a remote control to take, when you take group photos, someone has to like press the button and then run over and sit down and time it. This is a remote, so you just press the button. You can sit comfortably, pose, all of that, take as many photos as you want. So I thought that was clever. And then this, I haven't tried it yet, but it's a wide angle macro lens. So again, for photos and videos, he thought I could experiment. So he's super techie. I am not. So I have to learn how to use these things. And he's also like, I always say he's like a master researcher. Whatever he buys in terms of tech, he also gave me the easel that I'm using, the microphone that I'm using. So I completely trust him. He is a master in finding like the best products. So if you're interested in anything like this, I can ask him where he got it and I can link it down below. So just let me know if you're curious in the comment section. The other gift that I got was from my sister, and you're probably wondering, what in the heck is this? It's really cool, actually. She knows I have chronic neck pain. I hold tension there. It's from sitting at the computer. It's from working a lot. It's just who I am. My body is like that. So this funky looking thing is actually like to relieve neck strain, and I don't know if it corrects sort of like, your posture and your spine and all of that. But I tried it for a couple of nights. You just do it for like 10 minutes at a time. You don't overdo it. And it's actually helping. So if you have chronic neck pain, like neck shoulder pain, this is really cool. She said she got one for herself and she's been using it and it's been effective. So she got one for me, and this is a really cool gift that I would have never thought to get for myself. And then you're probably wondering what this is. This was the gift from my mom. So my parents, I mentioned, they are retired. They live a very quiet, happy life together. And my mom has been picking up new hobbies. She's really got a green thumb, and she has been playing around with creating these sort of like art pieces made out of moss. So how cute. It's a heart, the color contrast. So she said that I should probably hang this in one of our bathrooms because the steam that comes from our showers will sort of keep the moss fresh. And then it also gives, I don't know, it like takes and gives. So it's interesting, and she framed it. It's super cute. I love seeing that she's staying active, trying new things, and enjoying, her life in retirement stage. So this was super special. She knows I don't want anything material from her. So the fact that she made this really meant a lot. Okay, I know some of you have just fast forwarded to this section of the video, and that's fine. I'm going to get into the goodies here. So this is from Jo Malone. This is actually a gift from two of my close friends. They combined their gift. They actually got me the Jo Malone and something from Hermes. I was so shocked. We went out to eat. We went to the museum. That was the day we saw the Karl Lagerfeld exhibit at the Met, and then they surprised me. So this was so thoughtful, you guys. I saved it so you can see all the beautiful packaging. I didn't realize Jo Malone did packaging so well. So this is a diffuser, and the reason why this is so special is because I'm very particular about scents. I don't really like a lot of scents. I'm not really into that much fragrance. This one is the Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede. Now, peony is my favorite flower of all time. Love peony. We had peonies at our wedding years ago. And at the restaurant when we were eating earlier, on another day, I saw this displayed in the bathroom there, the public bathroom, and it smelled so good. And I said, girls, did you smell the diffuser in the bathroom? It's so good. And they ran around the city looking for this, and they found it just in time, and they surprised me for my birthday. So I'm going to set this up. It's so, so, so good. I wish you could smell it. It has a really nice sort of like floral but fresh scent to it. It's just really nice. So, and I'm going to keep the box, and I'm definitely going to repurpose this box because it's so cute with the heart shape. And then this one, they were like, we don't know if you already have it. If you already have it, you can exchange it and all of this. And I was like, what could it be? So I already unboxed this because they wanted me to check to make sure I don't have it already. So that's why the ribbon is all undone. And I will show you what it is. They know me so well. Ta-da! Okay, you guys, if you know, you know. Hermes Togo leather is my all-time favorite, and the gold color with the palladium hardware is my favorite combination. So this is the mini Ulysses notebook / planner. It comes like this with the gorgeous raw interior. It feels like how the mini Eveline interior feels. It's so, so soft and nice to the touch. It actually comes without the notebook, so you have to purchase the notebook separately. So they got me both as a set, and I haven't started using it yet, but it's so cute. Now, I could see why they were concerned that I might already own this because ta-da! I do have the larger mama. I've had this for a couple years. I think I've shown it on my channel. This is the bigger one. So I think this is the MM size and this is the PM size, I believe. So they're basically mom and baby, and they were like, oh, just return it, get a different color. I was like, no, it's perfect, because I always said this is great for my desktop at home when I'm journaling or writing notes or jotting down ideas and thoughts. But I can't really travel with this because it's kind of big and doesn't fit in my smaller bags. So this one will fit in almost all of my smaller bags. So this will come with me when I travel, like on the airplane. I love to write. So this will be great. So super, super nice. Okay, I've cleaned up a little bit so you can focus on the bags that I got. So I've got 2 new bags, and I've got another one that I already showed, but you might have missed, so I'm going to show it again. So this is from Dress Up Your Purse. This is exactly how it came in this box. This was sent to me by Melody, who you know I've partnered with on previous collaborations. I adore her. She's so creative. She's so sweet. This is how it comes, you guys. I'm going to show you how good this set is. It is unbelievable, especially at the price. So here's the dust bag. I know many of you were waiting for this, and some of you already ordered it and got yours. So here is the Boston bag. I'm going to take this all off. This is the Boston bag from Dress Up Your Purse, and it is beautiful, full grain leather, all black. There were 3 different color combinations, and I chose the all black just because that's what I gravitate towards, and I thought it looked so simple but cute, and at the same time chic. You know, it's versatile. You can dress this up, you can dress it down. It's got the gold hardware. Look at the grains. It's got that powdery feel that I love, that sort of soft powdery grainy feel. And then you've got black vachetta leather, so it's treated, and it's going to be quite durable, I can imagine. Here's what it looks like on the side. Here it is. So it's kind of like the Speedy. I'm going to compare with my Speedies actually in a minute. Let's take this off. beautiful shiny gold hardware. You guys know I am a huge fan. If you don't know the story, I was a customer of Dress Up Your Purse, purchased a bunch of items and straps and chains and all kinds of things from them, and then started to work with them as an affiliate partner, then was invited to do a special collaboration to create or co-create some products that I thought you guys might love, and they have been such a hit, and I've been so appreciative not only of the partnership but of you guys who have been supportive of those collections. This was 100% all Melody's creation, and I am just a happy recipient. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, it feels so good. I still can't believe she was able to make this at the price she's offering it. So this is like this suede-y feel. It's really soft, like velvety suede. And then on one side, you've got the zippered compartment. She's really good about practicality in terms of her designs. So compartment right here for little cards, cash, small things you don't want to lose sight of. I'm going to take this off as well, all the little plastic. And it feels really nice. I'm actually going to weigh this for you because you guys know I like to check the weight of all the bags. It feels pretty nice, not too heavy, but not like flimsy either. And it feels good. So here's the thing. It comes with an organizer insert that was special made, custom made for this bag. How cool. And I have so much more to show you. So this is in that soft material, that velvety suede material. You've got a full pocket here, which is really handy. And then you've got small compartment here and here. So 2 extra compartments that are open. I'm going to put this in. I'll weigh it with the insert and without the insert both times so you can get a sense of how it feels. I didn't do this yet. It's my first time. But I just can't believe she thought to create an insert as well. I'm being really rough with this, but that's okay. Because with Speedy Designs, this is the Boston bag, but I'm going to call it the Speedy design, you know, it gets kind of saggy sometimes, although this leather I think will hold pretty firm. But just in case, she created this. Oh gosh, look at that. That is so good. So good. I should have done a dedicated video just on this bag. I didn't realize how much talking I was going to do on this bag alone. It's sold out already, guys, but I'll link it down below, and you can use my usual 15% off promo code when it comes back in stock. There is a button on her website where it says notify me. It's like you're putting yourself on the wait list as soon as it restocks. Usually when her bestsellers restock, they sell out again within 48 hours. So definitely put yourself on the wait list if you're interested. Gosh, look at this. She does straps really well. One of the first items that I bought from Dress Up Your Purse was a strap for my pochette accessoire, and I was sold. So let's take this off. It's got the little clasps, easy on, easy off, very versatile. Okay, so let's do this. Here we go. As you can see, this is a cotton strap, wideband. It's going to be super light and super comfortable, and it is fully adjustable, so you can adjust to your liking if you want it higher up, lower down, depending on your height. This is going to be so good. It's making me question now the Speedies that I have from Louis Vuitton. It really is. And you guys know I was contemplating getting the Speedy B20 in the damier bin. I did a whole video with mod shots when I was in the store, but I decided against it. And many of you guys helped me make that decision. And I'm really glad because look at this. Look at this. This is about 22 centimeters, I think. I think that's what it said on the website, about 22 centimeters across. Really good practical size. Now this is a 2-piece all leather strap that can go on if you want it to have a different look, but I am loving this thicker strap just for the comfort, and it doesn't have any of that really loud branding. I'm not a fan of Louis Vuitton's branding on the thicker straps they've been making. I like the simplicity of this, and please excuse me for comparing this to Louis Vuitton, but I'm all about affordable alternatives that are well made, high value, good prices. I've been talking about them for over a year now, and I feel like it's nice to find options that are so well crafted, that are not high-end designer and don't come with the hype and all the branding and the crazy price tags. So just really excited. So you do have 2 strap options. You do get the organizer insert, and of course you get the bag and the dust bag. So good. Here I brought over my 2 Speedies. This is the Speedy BB, and here's a quick side-by-side. I can do a full review video later Again, I didn't expect to talk so much about this bag. I have another bag to show you too. So this is a little bit bigger. And then you've got my Speedy B25. And here it is side by side. Obviously, Speedy B25, much bigger, taller. Let me know if you have any questions about this and you want me to do a more thorough review video later. Put them in the comments below and I'll be sure to make note of that. All right, so I've got my trusty little scale. I want to do a quick weighing of this bag. It has the organizer insert on the inside already. And then I've got the cotton strap here tucked like so we can get the full package weight. So this is 1 pound, 6.6 ounces all together like this. If you take the strap off, let's see. Without the strap, it becomes 1 pound, 3 ounces. And then let's see without the organizer insert. So this is without the organizer insert. And then it becomes 15.4 ounces, so under a pound. One more time, the bag without the organizer insert and without the strap is under a pound, 15.4 ounces. Beautiful. Okay, the next bag that I have to show you is from Parisa Wang, and this was gifted to me by the brand. You guys know I have been really enjoying some Parisa Wang bags, and when they asked me which one I would be interested in, this was absolutely the one that I jumped for, and I'm going to consider it a birthday gift because it came in my birthday month, and it is so pretty. Look at this, so summery, so summery. So this is the unlocked bucket bag, and I chose this color because, you guys, I don't really have much color in my handbag collection, a lot of neutrals, and I just felt like this part here, which is the straw material, the raffia type of material, super summery, and then this leather here, it's kind of like this mint, soft, subtle green pistachio. No, I don't know how to describe it. It's a really pretty green. It is showing up pretty much true to color. This is what it looks like. So it opens up like this. The back here, it says PW for Parisa Wang. It's a New York-based brand. You guys know if you've been following me for a while. I think my promo code should still work. I'll have it linked down below. It's not an affiliate code or anything like that. I don't get anything for it. I just want to share in case you want to shop. So this is the strap that I think is so fun. It's a thick strap. It's a shoulder strap. So they gave 2 straps. I love when brands think about, you know, versatility and playfulness because we want more than one strap. So here is the one for the shoulder, and then here's the crossbody strap in the matching beautiful green leather that goes all the way down, and it is adjustable. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do also another review follow-up video showing all the details of this bag separately because I know I can get really into it and I don't want this video to be too long. This is what it looks like on the inside. Gorgeous color. Comes in a variety of different colors. I was also thinking about getting the one with the white or ivory trim. And there's also one with caramel brown trim. Some of these are sold out. They're actually selling pretty fast, this design, because it's summertime. But I thought, let me go out of my comfort zone a little bit. It's my birthday. Let me have some fun and go for color. And I'm really glad that I did because I think it's so pretty. The price is under $300. I think this color might be on sale right now. Plus, if my promo code is still valid, I'll put everything down below in my description box. Then you can save extra money as well. Now this one, just like this with the strap on, I want to get the weight really quickly, is 1 pound, 2.1 ounces. So that's a pretty light bag. And I'm going to take this off. So the bag is completely empty at the moment. Without the strap, just the bag is under a pound, 15.4 ounces. Bravo. All right, last but not least, I have to show you this again. If you watched my recent video where I compare a bunch of travel bags and share with you which ones are my favorites and which ones I returned, then you'll recognize this bag. This is the Wallace Jim bag, and I did decide to keep it along with the Amazon ones, and I am so glad because it is so good. It's stuffed right now with some other bags, and you guys, it is really good. I know that some of you said you were going to buy it. I'll link it down below in my description box so you can find this exact one. This size is so good. It's big, it's roomy, it's perfect for travel, under the airplane seat, weekend trips, but it's also really good for just when you need to carry a lot, whether it's to work, to the gym, just errands, because I'm actually going to a donation center. I did a big closet clean out and I'm donating a bunch of my old clothes and shoes and stuff like that. And I'm putting it in here and walking it over, and it's just going to be perfect. Really love the squish factor. I talked about this. This MZ Wallace quilting is so good. So we are headed to Korea and Japan in a few weeks, and I'm definitely going to bring this. So if you guys are interested in a full follow-up video after I use it on that long haul trip, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to make a note of that as well, and I'll do a dedicated video. But anyway, thanks so much for watching up until this point. Thank you so much for the birthday wishes. Hope you're all doing well. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.